Hey guys, today let's learn how to go ahead and basically remove all the tag photos on Facebook all at once. So if you'd like to go ahead and remove the photos that you have been tagged in all at once in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So this is going to be pretty easy. All we need to do is to go ahead and proceed to the specific section over on your Facebook application. So let's go ahead and launch the Facebook application. And then from here, let's go ahead and proceed to your settings. So tap on your menus right here in the lower right corner, tap on your settings and privacy, and then tap on settings, or if we can basically find your activity, that could be a little bit better. So once you're already here, and let's try to go ahead and access your activity, but if you can't really locate it, there is actually one more place that you could actually locate it in a much more easier way. Over on your profile, let's go ahead and access our three dots right here, and then access the review posts and tags section. Now you are going to see all of the posts that you have been tagged in, and if you want to go ahead and remove them, just go ahead and tap on this option to always review your post or review the post that you have or where you have been tagged. And you could also go ahead and access this setting over on your activity log. So let's go ahead and tap on our activity log, and let's tap on the option to the activity where you're tagged in, and that should be located on your activity across Facebook. Tap on activity where you're tagged in, and you can actually see all of the posts that you have been tagged in. So if you want to go ahead and remove each and every of these posts, just go ahead and tap on all right here in the top left corner, and then tap on remove tags. Now it's that easy, guys, to do this. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.